Knots presents Knots Studio, the Yo Code platform. We're going to show you some of the workflow automation examples. Click on Start Automating to create a workspace. There's a sample code made by our developers. When you run it, the output is directly visible within Knots Studio. Let's make a change to the existing example by adding an additional statement to output the activity field here. If we run our code again, we'll see the new output in the logs area. Let's create our own workflow. First, we get rid of the example code to write our own with Zendesk ticket interactions. To start, we will first retrieve the ticket ID sent later via Zendesk webhook. In the next step, we will use a free weather API. We will copy the example request and make some change here to retrieve the weather for Berlin in Germany. From the response, we now want to extract the temperature in Celsius and save this information in a variable. Next, we define the JSON payload to add a new internal ticket comment. We could also add custom fields here too. In the last step, we will send the generated payload to the Zendesk Ticket API to update the ticket. For authentication, we use an existing connector. That's it, our code is ready to be saved now. In order to run our code from a ticket event, we need to set up a trigger. This will notify our Knots function for the given conditions. We just need to include the ticket_ID placeholder within the payload and save our trigger. Now we are ready to test our workflow. Let's send an email to our Zendesk. We will now find our ticket and open it. We see the webhook has fired correctly, and we see the internal comment containing how many degrees we have in Berlin right now. For further checks, we can also access the history log within Knots Studio. We just need to open the history to see events and console logs here. For now, if you're interested in Knots Studio, please contact our team. Currently, we support NodeJS and soon also Python code. Our snippet gallery makes it even easier to get started.